Hey everybody, welcome back to Up's Kitchen. Today I'm going to my friend's house for a little dinner and I volunteered to make dessert. So I'm going to make a blueberry buckle, which is kind of like a blueberry coffee cake type thing. It's really easy, really nice. Great summer dessert. I'm actually going to make two. I'm making one for them and then a smaller one for us because Amy's here. So let me take you to the counter and show you what we have. Ingredients. Okay, so I have a half cup of butter, softened at room temperature. Going to be a half cup of sugar, a quarter cup of brown sugar, 3 eggs, also at room temp, quarter cup, or no, teaspoon of lemon zest, so probably a little over, but it'll be nice. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of sea salt, 3/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. I'm gonna grate my nutmeg fresh. A 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 4 cups of blueberries. So you can use blueberries, you can use a mix. Today I'm just using all blueberries. All right, let's get started. All right, so we're ready to go. I already mixed together my butter, half cup of butter, a half cup of sugar, regular sugar, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. So I creamed the butter and sugar. I mixed together my dry ingredients, which is 1.5 cups of flour, half teaspoon of sea salt, some fresh nutmeg, which is about a 3/4 teaspoon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So the next thing I'm going to do is add the eggs one at a time. So I have my 3 eggs ready to go. And I put a teaspoon of vanilla in with one of the eggs. So add the eggs one at a time. Lemon zest. And now we're ready to fold in the dry ingredients. My oven is heated now at 375. So we're ready to go. All right, and then 4 cups of blueberries. It's a lot of blueberries. From what I understand, a buckle is a lot of fruit compared to the amount of batter that you have. I still have more blueberries. I'm going to throw another handful in. All right, I'm going to get my pie plates ready, and then we'll throw them in the oven. I'm using pie plates today because Amy is here, so I want her to have some of this. And it's only 5 of us for dinner, so this is going to be big enough for today's dinner. And then with whatever extra I have, I'll just make a little mini one for us. All right, so we're going to transfer the batter. When I've made this before, I've made it, it's just in a 9 by 13 inch pan. Okay, so for this recipe, we're just going to top it with some cinnamon sugar. I've seen other recipes where they have like a streusel topping. Too complicated for me. So I like this one. Very simple. I was going to make something that we call blueberry crumb cake, which has milk in it, and then it has, like a crumb topping. But I decided to do this instead just because it's easier. So as far as measurements here, just whatever. Probably a lot of sugar, and this is fine sugar. If you have a coarser sugar, it's probably better. And I just mixed a little bit of cinnamon in with the sugar. All right, we're ready to go in the oven. I'm going to bake it at 375 between 40 and 50 minutes. All right, here it is, blueberry buckle. So this is the one for dinner tonight, and this is the one that Amy devoured. She said she gave me a 7 out of 10. It's really good. She didn't like that I had so many blueberries. I said, well, that's the point of a buckle. And also I put ice cream on it. And it got kind of soggy, but it's really good. Delicious. All right, so I'm going to take this one over to my friends for dinner. I made some blueberry sauce because I had some extra blueberries, and I have some vanilla ice cream. All right, that's it. Hope you liked this video. Try it. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.